You've come to the Mission Excavator channel. We are ripping this thing apart today. This is the mobile washer OC3 Plus from Karcher. I thought I broke it. This is why I just torn everything apart to see whether the pump is dirty, whether some dirt got into it. It didn't. So if you need to get to the pump, you have the last chapter of this video. But first I need to tell you why I shouldn't be even opening this thing. The reason for me thinking I broke it was that I was using the external source of the water, because this is how I was pumping out the water from my attic. So I removed this water compartment or reservoir, and then you remove little two plastic things, and we plug this pipe into it, and this goes to the external water source. Because the water was very dirty, it was in the attic, I was quite sure that when I used this one back, when I put this one back, and I didn't have it working, I thought that some dirt was clogged into it. But my mistake was, you see, when I removed my pipe with the filter, I cleaned the filter, there was lots of dirt. I've put this thing back, but I forgot about this thing. These two plastic things should be right here. Let me show you exactly. This is how it looks like, because they will open this valve on our water reservoir. Because, you know, when you hold it, it won't leak. When you put it back into the machine, now it's opened. So my washer didn't have water supply because I haven't opened that valve through these two plastic things. So now you know how to switch between the internal and the external source of the water. And if you still need to get into the pump, into the internals of this thing, there you go, the last chapter is all about it. Thanks for watching, subscribe, like it, and see you in the next video. I used this thing with a very dirty water using this pipe, so I wasn't using this water in the tank, and the effect is there is no water. I'm gonna try to fix it. I can see 4 screws here. The problem is that this hole is just too thin. I'm not gonna get there. Ha ha! Ha ha ha! Clean, clean. Super. I cię mam teraz, kolego. Dobra. to, czyli o, dobra. I have no idea what this circlip does. O. Tak. Czyli teraz to odwracamy. No właśnie. This is the pipe you're using in order to suck in the water from the pond or something, which I did. The water was dirty. Now we just put it here into the clean water and it works, which is awesome.